'Cause I'm TNT. I'm dynamite. TNT. And I'll win that fight. TNT. I'm a power.
Has about 100 sparklers in it. We're gonna stick it in there and watch it grow up.
No.
Remember just to shut it. No, shut it. But don't.
I want to wait till at least.
There.
Okay. Fire in the hole!
Get back, Parker.
Park, you might want to get back, dude. This better be good.
Yeah! That microwave has just got blown. Kingdom come! Let's go check out the debris.
That's how you blow up a microwave right there.
This is the only thing standing.
Holy crap!
I got hit by some of that shrapnel too. Did you get hurt? Yeah, I did. No?
That's the only thing left, and there's the big old crater.
Dude, look at that crater.
Okay.